Which one is this?
可以食㗎，咁樣可以食。30蚊兩盒。
Two for 30? Or
你哋要盒係嘛
how much for just... For,
收你15蚊啦，算啦。一半啫嘛，一半啊。
how much for just...
我找俾你。
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, 謝謝。What the hell? This is not what I expected. Welcome to another episode of Adventure Dogs. We are here today in Hong Kong. We're at this area called the Monster Building, which is a massive apartment complex. There are many massive apartment complexes in Hong Kong, but there are none quite like this one. It is huge, and it is absolutely crazy to look at all of the density of population here. Can you imagine living in one of these places? One of these little tiny rooms? It's just a place that defies what you normally think of as a normal living space. Hey, nice, look at us. Very nice. Is TikTok? Yeah? Ah, very good.
Okay.
This monkey just stole this guy's food. Oh man. This is a place, by the way, called Kam Shan Country Park. It is full of monkeys. At first I thought they were kind of creepy, but they actually seem pretty friendly. There's a dispute here. Got a whole gang of monkeys. They're following these people.
The monkeys are following you.
What's up, dudes? Where are you guys going?
Ủa lè, hổ tài chè, ha để cho mà cha cha thiên cho ha, khó coi cái thứ ha, sân chi mà, sân chi cái giá ha, áo má bọc xe.
What are you selling?
No, keep.
Oh, earring? No. I don't have I have no
Keep.
earring. Clip.
Necklace.
Necklace.
Try this is good.
Yeah. I have one of those. How much is necklace? 60. Oh,
Yeah.
good price. Good price.
Yeah. Young design.
Yeah. Young design.
Yeah.
Smoke weed every day.
Yin
Yin yang.
yang. Try this is
Yin
kung
yang.
fu.
Oh, kung fu. It's cool.
Dragon.
Dragon. Yeah, dragon. Good.
Try this.
Blue dragon. Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No. Just one. 50.
Okay.
50, okay.
Okay.
50, okay? Okay. Thank you.
Yin yang lo.
Just blue dragon. I like blue dragon.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Dragon. Try this is lucky.
Yeah.
Happy holiday.
Happy holiday. Yes. Looks like we got a home-style karaoke party. You have change for 100?
Đúng rồi. Rất là khoái.
Thank you. This is what Asia is all about, dude. Pear guava juice on demand. And it's so good, dude. No sugar added. Just the good stuff blended right up. Boom, dude. We are in the subway heading on the Tungchung line over to Kowloon. Looks like, oh, am I gonna miss it? Am I gonna make it? We made it. Everything's fine. The subways in Hong Kong are intense. Tiny little 5'2" women will straight up shoulder check you to get into the subway. People here, they do not mess around. They do not mess around whatsoever. There's so many massive underground malls. They're usually at the end of major subway exits. The city's like really well planned out, really well planned out. It makes me question if like any city in America is like well planned out at all. Hand reading.
Yes. Long.
Long.
That means if you are working or your business outdoor,
Outdoor.
just go around is good for you. Marriage life for you. You may take late. Marriage is better for you. Don't be so early. Mind thinking.
Thinking.
You have good mind, but sometimes thinking too fast.
Thinking too
Calm
fast.
down.
Okay.
Calm down better.
Okay.
Okay? Don't be so hurry to decide things. Okay?
Okay.
Your nose is very good.
Yeah.
40 to 50. This 10 years is your golden 10 years. Do you drive the car?
Do I drive car? Yeah.
Okay, you can drive, but don't be so fast. Slowly. Save the money. Make the plan.
Okay, make the plan. Very good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
So far, Kowloon has been one of my favorite neighborhoods in Hong Kong. There's a lot of really good food here, and it's got a more of a locals vibe than Central Hong Kong. Central Hong Kong is very like businessy. Up here is kind of feels more Chinese to me. Hello.
Which one would you like? Dumpling? Beef pancake? Chicken noodle? Beef noodle? Beef noodle or
Yeah.
okay, 68.
68. Okay.
65. 65.
65.
You wait here. Hello. Okay.
Yep. Yeah. No problem.
Card.
Chinese Alipay, WeChat Pay. Okay.
Thank you. What is this one?
I don't know speak English.
Oh, it's okay.
Chinese 的天土啊.
Okay.
I don't know speak English. Okay.
Can I have one?
Just only one or
Just-
the one set?
Just one.
Just only one.
One, please.
Only one.
Yeah. 5?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Very cheap. Good price. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's try it out. Whatever this thing is, I don't know what it is. It looks good though. It's like an apple pear. Okay, we are in Kowloon Park. Beautiful park in the middle of the city. A super peaceful place. Lots of space to sit on benches, listen to the birds sing, and relax.
What color?
Okay, this one.
Okay.
How much is it? 180. Can you 150? 165. Okay. Thank you. Check that out, man.